Hello YouTube. This is my 2016 S1000RR, and as you can see it has a bog standard exhaust. I'm about to fit a new slip-on, so this is a part of a before and after video. So here's a before sound. Actually it's pretty cold, so is it in neutral? No.
Here we go.
All right, here we go. It's definitely neutral now. So I just bring it in so you get the sound. Okay, start recording. We thought we'd just try this. We thought we'd just try this without anything. This is going to be really loud. Here we go. Something fell out. It's only been about 10 minutes and we got it all working, and this is the first fire up. But before I do, can I just say that it looks shit hot. All right, here we go. You can tell there's a baffle in it. That's cool.
Yeah, go.
All right. So now what we're doing is we're trying it without the baffle. Why? Because it's going to be 30 more horsepower supposedly. All right. Still in neutral. Here we go. Wow, that's loud. That was a 14,000 RPM red line. Thank you very much. Cheers.